did. He looked like he was almost going to knock one in. A few minutes later, that one just got away from him, but it won't faze him. He'll just continue to do what he does. He'll be annoyed deep down inside, but he'll also be supremely confident that the next chance that comes his way, he can work it.
From Argentina, here Lionel Messi roar. Brazil with Vinicius Junior wanting more. France shines with Kylie and Mbappe tonight. England and Jude Bellingham in the lights. Portugal, the legend Cristiano Ronaldo stands tall. Norway with Erling Haaland ready for it all. 24 nations feel the fire. Football hearts rising higher. From every city, every shore, the whole world screaming for more. World Cup burning bright tonight. Under the stadium lights.
United States, Christian Pulisic,
Mexico, Santiago Giménez. Canada,
Alphonso Davies,
Argentina,
Lionel Messi,
Brazil, Vinicius Junior.
France,
Kylian Mbappe,
England,
Harry Kane,
Spain,
Lamine Yamal,
Germany,
Jamal Musiala,
Portugal,
Cristiano Ronaldo,
Italy,
Gianluigi Donnarumma,
Netherlands,
Virgil van Dijk,
Belgium,
Kevin De Bruyne,
Croatia,
Luka Modric, Uruguay, Federico Valverde,
Colombia,
Luis Diaz, Japan, Take Fusakubo, South Korea, Son Heung-min, Australia,
আপনার কাস্টমাইজ ডিজাইন টি-শার্টের জন্য রয়েছে অন ভাইবস।